Today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 434 different strategies, with 135 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex Indicator trading the crypto scalping strategy on a live trading account. There's a crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 333 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,056 indicators, with 441 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex scalping strategy. And so the source video says we tested top Tradingview indicators and found the most profitable one. I'm going to say that they probably didn't test every single Tradingview indicator, and so as far as finding the most profitable indicator, it seems a little suspicious to make that claim, but nonetheless, we'll go ahead and put the strategy to the test. Let's go ahead and hide the two indicators we have on screen now. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the adaptive trend flow indicator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and we'll jump into the settings of this. And what you'll do is the main length you'll change to 12, the smoothing you'll change to 16, and the sensitivity you'll change to 2.5. You can go ahead and uncheck this background color if it is checked, and the background color here, go ahead and uncheck that as well. Go ahead and click OK. The next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the adaptive price zone oscillator. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that one and add it to the screen, and jump into the settings of this one as well. And under the inputs, you're going to change the APZ to 29. Threshold to 2.5 and the smoothing to 12, and uncheck the bar colors if that is checked, and everything in here should look as I have on screen now. I don't think any of this has been changed, but just double check that it all is exactly the same. Go ahead and click OK, and what we're looking for is we're looking for when the bars here, price action bars, have this kind of light green coloration to them here. And as they have that light green coloration, we're then looking for the adaptive price zone to give us a green switch in the coloration like this here. You see it goes from red to green here. Now, this can take place like a continuation type setup. It doesn't have to be as soon as this one turns green, this one turns green type deal, but in this case, it just happens to do so. And so you can see how we have the green bar here, and at the same time, we get the green coloration shift from the oscillator here. That's going to be our signal to then enter into a long. We'll put our trade right here. We want to put our stop just right below this pivot area here and target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward. Put us right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see within just a few candles there, make a nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, what we're looking for is we're looking for when the bars are red like this here, and then we're looking for that shift in the coloration of the oscillator right here. So you can see it goes from green to red right here. And that'll be our signal to enter into a short. Again, we get both of them at the same time in this case, but it doesn't necessarily have to be that way. So we set our trade right here. We put our stop just right above this pivot area here. And we're going to target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. and a nice steady climb to the downside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. And out of those 50 trades, we did 18 winning trades and 32 losing trades, putting it at a 36% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $10,800. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $12,800 for an overall loss of $2,000 altogether. So again, they definitely didn't find the most profitable Tradingview indicators. Now compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, we did 35 trades altogether. We had 28 winning trades and 7 losing trades, putting it at a 79% win rate. If you were looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $16,800. On the losing side, you'd have lost $8,400 for an overall gain of $8,400. So definitely better results. And if you were to use the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons, it would have increased the win rate significantly. The total gain would have been closer to the $16,000. So definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. And an update on the live trading account. It's last night, closed out winning trade number 60. I'll put a screenshot up of that trade on screen now. So that's 60 winning trades in a row, maintaining the 100% win rate. That's using the position management strategy and the crypto scalping strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago. In backtesting, the combination was so powerful, it did over 200 winning trades in a row before it finally took a losing trade. As a matter of fact, we're so confident in its ability to make you a profitable trader, we're offering a money back guarantee. If you join our Patreon and you're not profitable within the first month, then we will give you your money back. You can join our Discord for free and look at the money back guarantee right here if that is something you are interested in. Alright, that's it for the strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.